Welcome to Jomtien.
Welcome back to beautiful Jomtien Beach in Pattaya City, Thailand. It's been 1 year since my video, Jomtien Beach, a morning stroll, and today I'm retracing my footsteps, walking north up Beach Road, and I'm going to give you an update on the road construction, as well as show you what's new and what's changed here as of August of 2025. So let's go down to the street.
Well, good morning from Jomtien Beach. As I mentioned in the intro, we're going for a walk today north along Jomtien Beach Road. The first thing we're going to start off is the fisherman's market. Right here in the morning, every morning, all the fishermen boats come in here and sell all their fresh seafood. So the first thing you're going to notice here in Jomtien is all the road work that's been going on. For about a year now, they've been working on this and they're almost at the completion stage. They're finally just doing the final concrete work. The last little section right at the end here down at Chaiyaphruek. Alright, so we're going to head back out to the sidewalk area here now. Alright, let's have a look. As you can see here, the sidewalk hasn't been replaced here yet, but they'll be working on it. Another little section of construction here. The size of the new pipe that's going in. Actually, I think it's bigger than that. See some of the work down there. Yeah, there's a big pipe down in the bottom. And hopefully that's going to settle a lot of the drainage problems that they have here. Just walking up the road a little bit. Gotta be careful we don't get run down on the street here by vehicles. On my right here is the Thappraya Resort and Hotel. Point that out here. Might not be able to see it too well in the sunshine today. But yeah, has a rooftop bar, very popular hotel right here on the beach in Jomtien. All right. Again, it's a beautiful day. It's about 9 in the morning. Temperature's already up to 30 degrees, but the humidity's not as bad as it can be. And normally you're sweating like crazy, and I'm sure by the time I'm done here, I'll be sweating as well, but we'll just keep going for now. Right now, bit of a breeze, and it's a great day. Well, looking up ahead here, you can see how we're now just a couple of 100 meters from Chaiyaphruek now up on our trip here, and we've already getting to where they're continuing on with the sidewalk construction. On my right-hand side here is Chaiyaphruek Market. It's a local evening food market, which opens up about 6 p.m. every night, and that's where I go quite often for my evening meals. Some more street vendors just outside the market in the afternoon. All right, let's continue on. A few people on the beach out there you can see now. Another little construction zone here where the road's blocked off to single lane. Up on the right here, there's a new restaurant called Daisy D's. Wasn't here last time we were here. Just opened up beginning of the high season here. Daisy D's. We've got a big General Lee propped up inside. Yeah, great food and great pizza there as well. I've been a couple times. Daisy D's. There's the old canal there. I'm not sure what they're doing, putting some new lines in there. Okay. Have to be careful going up this little next section. Okay, there's a car and 3 jet skis going the wrong way. But in all fairness, right up ahead here on the left is the boat launch. There's the boat launch, and there's the tractors that are taking the boats in and out. In addition to the 7-Eleven, Tops Daily is a regular grocery store here, and it's just as popular, and there's just as many of them. A few more people on the beach here, looks like mostly locals enjoying the day. Some young fishermen getting ready to go. Everybody looking for a bit of shade. All right. This next little section of restaurants and beach umbrella spots is quite popular as well. Got the Wombat and Kiwi up ahead there. I mentioned that before. Very popular expat bar over there. A few people in there today having some lunch or breakfast. Great English breakfast there, and they have all sorts of Western and Thai food as well. So as you can see up ahead there is the Copacabana shining in the light. You can see all the swimming pool suites that have their own swimming pool jutting out on the balconies there. You can see them with all the blue water. And yeah, right next to it is the Arom Jomtien, which is going to be a rival, which is blocking some of the amazing view from some of the suites at the Copacabana. Needless to say, and they still have some beautiful views nonetheless. On my right, we have the Jomtien Night Market, another very popular evening food destination. We're right about the halfway portion of our journey here. We've gone probably about 2 kilometers now. Local burger fans will see that there's a Burger King right here on Beach Road. There's no McDonald's here in Beach Road and Jomtien, but there is a Burger King. Little mini excavator there. Looks how they've put all the umbrellas just around the street light that's ready to be mounted there. Looks like the electrical connections are all ready to go. We're getting up to the little bit more busier areas now here of Soi White House coming up here on the right. And then Soi 7, Soi 6, and Soi 5. All right, another busy section up here, Soi 7. Another busy alley with a lot of bars and restaurants. Another pizza place right there that opened up last year. Little Brothers Pizzeria. And as you can see, more people on the beach here today up in this area. Several more people in the beach umbrella chairs. We got the lifeguard station here. And there's a few people in the water out there today. Waves aren't too bad. We have a little bit of a breeze. I'm not sure if that breeze is picking up on my audio or not. The Surf Beach restaurant's another popular place. I've been several times. There are some local vending delicacies right there. Actually, I have been mistaken. We do have a McDonald's. I've never been there. Actually, that's why I didn't know about it. We do have McDonald's right here in Jomtien Beach. We have a Burger King and a McDonald's for all of you burger enthusiasts. All right, so this is the corner of Thappraya and Beach Road. The first little section here, we've got a lot of popular pubs and bars here. Escobar and the Bullet Bar. Bullet Bar is one of my favorites. They have a chain of bars in Pratamnak area and Jomtien area. I think they have 8 of them in total. We'll pass 2 or 3 of them on this street. Escobar, Bullet Bar, the Viper A Go-Go. This is a relation to the Bullet Bar back there, same owners. The Viper A Go-Go is I believe the only go-go bar in Jomtien. Another popular the Country Road 3 over there, and the JB Pool House is back in that little alleyway down there. Very popular pool hall. Now you can get a look at the Viper Lounge. Beer 70 baht, spirits 80. Sang Som 50 baht. The Viper Go-Go. Jomtien has their own version of walking street. This is a LGBT friendly area over there. The Country Club bar right here. Getting ready to open up for the day. As well, another favorite bar of mine is the Lone Star Saloon up ahead here, just behind the subway. The Lone Star. Happy hour, 2:30 to 6:30, 39 baht for all beer. So if you want some cheap afternoon drinks, come check out the Lone Star. Legends Pub over there. Hello, sawadee krap. Well, before I go, I wanted to thank all of you for watching today. If you'd like to support this channel further, you can be like these people here who've supported me and bought me a coffee. If you too would like to buy me a coffee, scan this QR code or click the link in the description below, and you can be on this list of exclusive viewers as well. Well, now we're at the corner of 2nd Road and Thappraya here, where it continues on to Pattaya. Hey, thanks again for all of you for watching. I really appreciate all your support. Hey, that's it for this video, folks. Hey, if you liked it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss my next video. And remember, wherever you are and wherever you go with the flow.